As you can see on my screen, here's a calculation showing you how much you can make in a month with the ByBit affiliate program. Now you can see right here, it says total you will earn this month $3,200. Now this means that you can earn as high as $3,200 every month. Yes, every month with the ByBit affiliate program. I'll be showing you the full calculation and explaining the full calculation to you later in this video. Also, I'll be telling you everything you need to know about the ByBit affiliate program. I'll be telling you how to join and how to increase your income every month and so on. So make sure you pay attention so you don't miss any important information in this video. But before I go into all of the details, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan and I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on personal finance, crypto trading, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. Now, as you can see on my screen where it says about our Africa Managed Affiliate Program. So this is a document explaining everything about the affiliate program. So I'll be reading this page and I'll be explaining everything to you guys and how to go about it. So just stay calm. I'll be explaining everything to you and I'll be breaking down everything to you in this video. Now, as you can see right here, are you an African trader, community owner, influencer, or content creator? Do you want to receive supersized incentives and personalized support for you to grow your community and sharpen your influence skills? So if you're in this category of African trader, community owner, influencer, or content creator, whether you have big influence or just small influence, I also want to grow your community, I want to grow your trading skills, then this is for you. And then you can see right here, if yes, then become a ByBit African Managed Affiliate. We pay 2 to 3x industry's rate to top potential affiliate for the same performance in order to support you to grow 10x. Now, we believe Africa deserves to have huge influencers to serve this great market, and we are here to support those willing to work hard and commit to our brand. Now, before I go on, for your information, you are not paying anyone anything or any amount to join this affiliate program. Please, you are not paying any money. You are not paying any money to register. You are not paying any money to become a ByBit affiliate. It is free for everyone. Now, I'm saying this so that you don't fall for anyone or you don't fall for any scam that is asking you to pay money to become an affiliate. Please and please take note of that. Now, this highlighted side of the page is telling you that ByBit will pay you 2 to 3 times more than what other crypto platforms pay their affiliates. Now, let me tell you something. The ByBit Africa Managed Affiliate Program is not your regular crypto affiliate program at all, where they pay you like 5% or 10% of the trading fee of the people you are referring to ByBit. No, this is bigger than that. Now, you can earn so much more with this. Now, like you saw at the beginning of the video, that you can earn up to $3,200 in a month. Yes, you can do that in a month. Now, there are different benefits you can get by becoming an affiliate through this program. Now, the first reason is that ByBit is part of the top 4 global crypto exchange with 15 million customers, and it is a safe platform with total transparency. Another one is that it has the industry-leading product. That is, you can get features with up to 125x leverage. It has one of the best launch pads for projects. It has P2P, and it is one of the few crypto trading apps where you can get copy trading and grid trading. I can also get staking. I've made videos about all of these: futures trading, P2P, copy trading, grid trading, staking on my channel. You can check the links in the description below. Now, another reason why you need to partner with ByBit is that it has industry-leading fees and rewards. Now, another reason is that ByBit is also the most popular platform for the largest global influencers. A lot of the popular crypto influencers right now are using ByBit to trade. Now, what are the requirements and expectations to qualify? What do you need to know? What do you need to have before you can join the affiliate program? Now, the first one is your community. Now, only those with sizable social media following and community groups qualify for this program. So you can see your group can be on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Discord. You can have your groups on any of these platforms. Another one is growth. Now, the outside incentives are to support your growth. We will invest 2 to 4x the industry standard, up to 200% compared with 30% commission, which is very high for your continuous growth. Now, these incentives are not to be taken for granted. You will earn the standard rate, which is 30 to 40% commission without strong growth month to month. Now, the next commitment from you is promotions. Now, you will need to put your ByBit links in your social media bio, promote ByBit at least 3 posts weekly in your social media or group, and compile with tags below. So you need to always post your ByBit link in your social media, whether Instagram, whether WhatsApp, whether Twitter, or any social media you have, and you must at least post ByBit 3 times every week. Now, here are the tasks you are going to be doing. Now, based on your performance, we might ask you to do specific promotional tasks, e.g. put links in bio, retweet specific messages, post promotions in your group, or strategic tasks like try master trading to drive your growth. In return of our investment, you need to compile and support. These tasks are to help you grow anyway. Now, what they ask you to do right here is that based on your performance, there are some times where they ask you to do some promotional tasks, like put a ByBit link in your bio or retweet some specific messages from ByBit or post promotions in your group, whether on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Discord. Now, you can see that all of these tasks are simple to do, and if you look at the amount you'll be getting paid, you will see that this is worth doing and this is what getting paid for, because they'll be paying you huge amount of money depending on your performance. Now, what are the expectations of the affiliate program? You can see right here, we hope and we support you to grow 20 to 50% volume month to month until you hit $20 to $50 million per month. We think Africa needs this type of influencers, and we think you can do it if we approach you to join this program. Now, the next one is to focus on our affiliates who work hard, those who do not surpass $3 million after 3 months or plateau at a low level for a long time could be disqualified from the managed affiliate program. Now, the next thing is ByBit reserves the right to alter the program or stop the extra incentives anytime. Now, what is the incentive structure? Or let me say, how do you calculate how much you'll be making every month? Now, here it is. Now, you can see right here, there are 4 different ways you can make money from this every month combined. Now, the first one is 200% African fee growth commission. Now, I'll read what is here and I will explain it to you guys. Like I said right here, it says 200% of increase of your month's African users fee compared with all-time high month since joined program, up to $5,000 affiliate and $250 per user, or 100% of increase in African fee against all-time high, up to $5,000 without the $250 per user cap. Now, let's, for example, you join this affiliate program in August and you're able to make $500 in the month of August. Now, let's say in the following month, which is September, you're able to make $1,000. Now, this is how your African fee growth commission is calculated. Now, they will minus your present income, which is $1,000, minus the one from the previous month, which is $500. So $1,000 minus $500 is $500. Then 200% of $500 is what you are going to be getting paid. So that means that you'll be paid $1,000 as your African fee growth commission. Now, you'll still be getting your normal income. Now, this is just an additional income for you. So you can see that that's a very big way to make money. So the more you bring in volume for ByBit, the more money you're going to be making for yourself. I hope you understand what I just explained there. If you don't understand, please just keep back a little bit and listen to the explanation again. So that's the explanation for the first one, which is 200% African fee growth commission. Number 2, or the second way you can make money, is through the ByBit lifetime commission. Now, for this, you can earn 33% to 50% plus of users' trading fee lifetime. Higher volume means higher commission rate. Now, this is for everyone, whether you meet number 1 or you don't meet number 1. Now, this means that you'll be earning 33% to 50% of your users' trading fee. Now, the third way you can make money is through top performance bonus. Now, right here, you can see top 3 highest increased affiliates will get $1,000 each, and top 4 to 10 highest will get $500 each. Now, the meaning of this is that the top 3 affiliates that can bring in more volume will get $1,000 each every month. So if you are among the top 3 in a month, you will get $1,000 extra income. And if you are among the top 4 to top 10, you get $500 for that month. So you can see this is another big way to make big income for yourself. Now, the fourth one is through VIP referral. Now, for this, you see you can get $1,000 per VIP referral, and you can get $100 per big trader referral. Now, VIP referrals are people that are trading $10 million per month. So if the traders you are bringing in are trading $10 million per month, then you are entitled to $1,000 every month. And if the traders you are bringing in volume between $1 million to $9 million, then you're entitled to $100 every month. So these are the 4 different ways you can make money with the ByBit affiliate program. Now, this is an example to show you how much you can make every month with this. Now, you can see right here, for example, last month, your African users generated $1,000 in trading fee. That means that's $2 million in volume. And this month, your African users generated $2,000 in trading fee. Increase of $1,000 places you among top 4 to 10 among all African managed affiliates. So what this example is saying that, let's for example, last month you made $1,000 in trading fee, and then this month you are making $2,000 in trading fee. That's an increase in $1,000. And let's for example, you're among the top 4 to top 10 in that month. Here is how much you can make. So you can see right here, the first way, which is 200% African fee growth commission. So you can remember like the calculation I just made some seconds ago. So if you made $2,000 this month and $1,000 last month, that's $2,000 minus $1,000, which is $1,000. They multiply it by 200%. So that's $2,000. So you made $2,000 from that alone. Now, the next one is your lifetime commission. So if your lifetime commission is 35% and you brought in a trading fee of $2,000, that's $700 for you. Now, the next one is the top performers bonus. For top performers bonus, since you are in the top 4 to top 10, you are getting $500. Don't forget the top 3 will get $1,000 each. But this example is saying if you're among the top 4 to top 10, that's $500 for you. And then you see that the total you'll be able to earn in that month will be $3,200. Now, I'm very sure that you've seen enough benefit and enough ways to make money from this, but there's still more. There's still more benefits for you. Right here are the additional benefits for you as an affiliate. The first one is you're going to be getting free airdrops. And then you'll be getting weekly performance updates and affiliate best practice sharing space. Another one is that affiliates who are good traders can also become master traders on ByBit copy trading and earn 10 to 12% of their followers' profit. Now, if you're a good trader, that is, you can trade crypto, you can also become a master trader on ByBit copy trading platform, and you'll be getting 10 to 12% of your followers' profit. That's an additional money for you. Now, the next one is for top managed affiliate, we will promote your content or community in our 30K member community. So if you're among the top managed affiliate, ByBit will even promote your content and your community to their larger community. Now, for top managed affiliates, sponsor affiliate events to grow their audience, pay for promotion to grow communities and other support that can help them grow. Now, here are some best practices to help you grow. Now, if you want to grow your volume, your income, or you want to be among the top managed affiliate, here are some things you can do. Number one is you have to provide intense value to get engagement. You have to provide value to people. You know, it's when you give value out that you make money. The second one is you have to promote ByBit often. So you have to be dropping your ByBit link. You have to be doing every airdrop instruction you get. You have to be able to post ByBit every week. Number 3 is that you can create incentives for your community to use ByBit after they've signed up. So for example, you can create like a signal group for your ByBit users, or you can do maybe giveaways if you want. Whichever way you can bring more people to use ByBit through your link, you can do that. And number 4 is you can become a master trader. Like I said in the previous page, that you can become a master trader, they copy your trade, and then you get 10 to 12% of their profit. Number 5 is you have to focus first on bigger traders. Remember that volume is what matters most in this. So focus on people that are trading big. Now, number 6 is that you can build a team. For example, you can get signal callers and admins to help you once you surpass some size, like let's say $3 million. So this is how you can make money with the ByBit Managed Affiliate Program. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, kindly drop them in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.